Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we share insights from our latest digital identity solution study. I'm Ritvik Rudra, Senior Analyst at Everest Group, and today I'm joined by my colleague and expert in this space, Sarvesh Subba. So now Sarvesh, let's kick this off with the big question, right? So why do you think digital identity is such a game changer in financial crime and compliance, and why it is happening now?
Uh, Good question, Ritvik. The reason is very simple actually. Digital identity has evolved from a background technology to a frontline defense mechanism now. Today,
Yeah,
we are not just talking about verifying who someone is at onboarding time, but we are also talking about the continuous AI-driven verification, the passive authentication, behavior biometrics, all working in real time to prevent fraud and complying with the tightening global regulation that is coming into picture, right? And the
yeah.
urgency is really, really very real. And there are like scams like phishing, synthetic identities, account takeovers, they're all rising. They all have a backbone of digital identity as well. And for BFSI, the digital identity is just isn't about access anymore. It's about building trust while staying compliant in an increasingly hostile and a digital world.
Right, right. And I think what stood out for me from this entire report is how quickly the market is scaling, right? So we are expecting the global digital identity solutions market to be worth more than 100 billion US dollar by 2030. BFSI alone is expected to be around 25 billion US dollar, and that too with a 20% CAGR growth rate, which basically tells you just how serious this is being taken in industry, right? And I mean, it's not just about fraud anymore. It's about compliance automation, it's about decentralized identity, and even generative AI use cases coming into the picture.
Absolutely. And from what we have seen, self-sovereign identity to real-time AML checks, digital identity is becoming the connective tissue for smarter compliance as well as better customer experience. Yeah. And
Yeah.
service providers, like it's really imperative for them to ask themselves, what are they doing to enable this shift, right? Are they aligning with the demand where it is heading or right now, or whether they're going to get lag behind? Yeah.
Yeah, well said, Travis. I think that is a good summary, and we can end our discussion on that today. Thank you all for listening. If this has piqued your interest, make sure to check out our full report. There we have broken down multiple industry use cases, market shifts, and where the opportunities lie for BFSI firms and service providers alike. We are also working on a financial crime and compliance leading 50 tech vendor landscape study. So be on the lookout for that too later this quarter. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Vivek. Thank you, everyone.